Before we start this movie, I got to admit I've seen some clips here and there on YouTube, but I haven't actually sat down and watched the movie. Sounds like the Jaws theme. Oh, that's what they're parodying. That's clever. Why did that scare me a little bit? I know not a lot of people like parody movies, but me personally, I love them. She's from She's a Man. She plays a mom.
Would you care to make a donation?
No, but thank you anyway.
The red zone is loading and unloading of passengers only. Don't start up with your white zone shit again.
Hello, we'd like you to have this flower from the Church of Religious Consciousness. Would you like to make a donation?
No,
girl.
to the office.
Stupid.
Would you put all your metal objects into this dish, please?
His arm. His leg too? How's he still standing? Oh my god, what an idiot. Whacking material. Modern sperm.
Captain Clarence over, white courtesy phone. No, the white phone.
Stupid.
This is Captain Over.
One moment for your call from the Mayo Clinic.
She's scheduled for a heart transplant. We'd like
What
to tell
the?
her mother that we found a donor an hour ago.
We have the heart here, ready for surgery. We must have the recipient on the operating table within 6 hours.
Also,
Very important.
This is ridiculous. I love it.
Excuse me, this is the operator, Captain Over. I have an emergency call for you on line 5 from a Mr. Ham.
Excuse me, we'd like you to have this flower.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Likely, Victor.
What the?
Review the area report from 1600 hours to 24. It's an occluded front stalled over the Dakotas, back down all the way to Utah.
Oh my god, this is too funny.
Wasn't icing around 15.
Sorry, Clarence. Latest weather report shows everything socked in from Salt Lake to Lincoln.
There you go, thank you.
Did he just dog her?
Can you tell me if Elaine Dickinson is on this flight?
Well, the whole flight crew is boarded.
He's still waiting.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Smoking, please.
There, have a nice trip.
Been messing my old lady? Got to be running coal upside down his head. You know?
Hey, home, I can dig it. No, he ain't gonna lay no more big rap over.
I love their suits.
Say, hey, Sky. Southern say I won't sing. Pray to Jay, I did the same old thing.
There she is. Isn't that kind of stalkerish though?
First time.
Yes.
No, I've been nervous lots of times.
Goodbye, darling.
Close the door.
How did you get there? Send me one, all right?
Okay, here, hurry.
But your watch. Bill.
Clumsy ass.
All the time. I swear to you.
Darling, take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Do you feel all right, sir?
I love her hair. It's very Farrah
I
Fawcett.
haven't flown for a long time.
Our arrival time in Chicago.
Boys Life.
45 p.m. Central Time. Temperature there is
Nun's Life.
degrees. 20%.
Supple, pouting breasts, firm thighs.
You sure you don't want her?
It's a shame you two don't get along.
Yes, I know.
What? Girl Scouts? That is so random. Oh! Oh shit. Dang! Oh. Oh, I felt that. Oh! Oh! Like I've said in my other video, I know the reference, but I've never seen the movie. I need to see it. Hey! Hey! Where the hell did she go? Stay in line. They did the same thing in Ted. Oh, 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 work them hips. That is dark.
Would you like to order dinner now?
Yes, Joey will have the steak and my wife and I will have the fish.
Cream? No, thank you. I take it black. Like my man.
Oh my god. What are they making fun of here? This has to be Grease, right?
You ever seen a grown man naked?
Do you want me to check the weather, Clarence?
Ew, what?
Take care of it.
You're Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. You played basketball for the Los Angeles Lakers.
I'm sorry, son, but you must have me confused with someone else.
My dad's got season tickets.
He's like, bro, shut up.
Right, Clarence?
Oh, he's not bothering anyone. Let him stay here.
How I used to sit on your face and wrinkle, and afterwards I would watch till the sun came up. When it did, it was
Something else came up.
like each new day was created only for us.
How about a break? I'm getting tired.
Yeah, all right. Take 5.
Thanks.
What?
I found a wonderful apartment for us. Has a brick fireplace and a cute little bedroom with mirrors on the ceiling. Thank you. Do you mind if I talk to your daughter?
I think that'd be nice.
One river.
What the?
And it flows through me.
Pay attention to your daughter. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Help stretch your food dollar.
Tupperware.
This 2-quart seals them right container keeps hot dog buns fresh for days.
I really couldn't blame Elaine. She wanted to.
Oh!
I'm sorry I have to wake you. You a doctor?
That's right.
Leslie Nielsen.
Yes. Yes, of course.
Is that an egg? Oh. What the fuck? Explain.
This woman has to be gotten to a hospital.
A hospital? What is it?
It's a big building with patients, but that's not important right now. Tell the captain I must speak to him.
Yeah, he's dead. He's definitely dead.
I can't tell.
You can tell me I'm a doctor.
No, I mean, I'm just not sure.
Yes.
His comedic timing is so good. Oh!
A couple points of interest.
They're just dragging the bodies like nothing.
Relax and enjoy your flight, okay?
All right. Now we know what we're up against. Every passenger on this plane who had fish for dinner will become violently ill in the next half hour.
Just how serious is it?
At this point, the entire
Oh.
digestive system collapses, accompanied by uncontrollable flatulence, until final report
Ew.
used to a quivering, wasted piece of jelly.
Why were you putting your lipstick on at that time? Not a blow up.
I'll go back to the passengers.
Terry, check down the field for emergency. Chief, we got
Oh.
right down to the deck. Every place east of the Rockies.
I wouldn't know what to do.
520 miles per hour.
Even if they're telling me what to do, I just wouldn't.
Check your elevation. That's the dial just below and to the right.
What the hell's going on up there?
What the hell? Is that his dick? It's like wrong time, wrong time.
By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
Oh my god. Woo! I didn't expect boobs.
You will pilot yourself.
No, I'm in. Training program. It's unbelievable. Just unbelievable. How many times I've warned those people about food inspection? The FAA and
Your dog.
oh, cheats and liars.
Oh, what the fuck? He's gonna mess this up so bad. Or not. He's still waiting.
That's right. That's right. Oh, that's what I said. You heard me.
Damn, he's all scratched up from the dog.
I know this guy. Who is it? Name's Ted Stryker. I flew with him during the war. He's on a particular mission.
What?
Just hope that doesn't happen tonight.
Oh! See, he does not know what he's doing.
I've got to get out of here. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Just please let me handle this.
I've got to get
Dang!
Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Oh!
Everything's going to be all right.
So everybody? What the fuck?
Read about Jehovah's Witness?
Shit.
Of Jerry's kids? Oh, yeah. Scientology? Or nuclear power?
Dang!
We have baggage claim checks ready to show.
Oh my god.
He has no airline experience at all. He's a menace to himself and everything else in the air. As you know, I flew with this man Stryker.
What?
He's gonna have enough on his mind without worrying about those times when things weren't so good. Right now, things aren't so good. Come right down to the ground.
A watermelon? Where the fuck did that come from?
Later we'll run down the landing procedure. I want you to disengage.
Okay.
Watch out you don't make any violent control movements like you did in the fighter plane.
She's still doing her makeup?
Leave you free for flight.
Yes, the stewardess is here with me.
Good. Never sit in the co-pilot seat.
There's no reason to panic. Now it is.
What the fuck is up with his nose?
Slightly. The pilots are just fine. They're at the controls flying the plane.
Alive?
Huh?
Stryker, what kind of weather?
Where the hell did that come from?
Rain.
And little ice.
Little ice.
How's it handling?
Sluggish. It's a damn good thing he doesn't know how much I hate his guts.
It's a damn good thing you don't know how much he hates your guts.
Girl. That was a cop. confidence.
Can I get you something? Would you tell him to just relax and I'll be back as soon as I can with some medicine?
Just hang loose, blood. She's gonna catch up on the rebound on the med side.
What it is, big mama? My mama didn't raise no dummies. I duck a rap.
Chomp don't want to help. Chomp don't get the help.
Say can't hang, say 7 up.
Don't got no brains.
Johnny, what can you make out of this?
This? Well, I could make a cap, or a brooch, or tear down.
That would be me.
Steve McCroskey, don't you want to get down here?
A horse?
Yes, I'll be right down. I've got to go to the airport. You can let yourself out the back door.
What?
I'm so hot, I'm burning up.
Turn on some air.
Oh!
Chicago, passengers are beginning to panic. When do we start down? Well, I'm hitching. I'll take over.
Is that a bone?
Oh, it's a big, pretty white
Oh no, that's an ice cream.
stripes, curtains in the window, and wheels, and it looks like a big Tylenol.
Let's get some pictures. Would you like a little whiskey, man?
Certainly not.
Coke. She likes that hard stuff.
How are the passengers doing?
I won't deceive you, Mr. Stryker.
To be honest, I've never been so scared. At least I have a husband.
Oh! Bitch!
When Kramer hears about this, the shit's gonna hit the fan.
Oh,
What the hell's he doing up there? Stryker, that plane can't land itself. It takes a pilot who can handle pressure. Bad news. Fog is getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
We're going to the tower.
The tower? The tower? Rapunzel! Rapunzel!
Really?
Where did you get that dress? It's awful, and those shoes and that coat. Jeez.
8 miles, turn right to heading 044.
What the fuck are you playing?
Red handle's right in front of you. That doesn't stop.
Oh! She's getting handsy.
That doesn't stop you. Cut the 4 ignition switches over the co-pilot's head. Picked the wrong week. Quit sniffing glue.
What the fuck?
625, he's holding.
I'm doing his laundry.
Sound your alarm bell now.
He broke the brake.
I'll tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
Didn't he also do that in Scary Movie 3?
I just want to tell you both good luck. We're all counting on you.
He had to save her ass for her to fall into his arms. Where the hell are you going? That end. Wow, that was funny.